my dear friends. Today I came back with a new recipe. Today I am going to make cake lollipops. Let me show you what we need. We need for this cake, you can use any kind of cakes, chocolate cake, red velvet cake, coffee cake, any cake. I am today use butter cake pieces and milk, white chocolate. You can use also dark chocolate. We should melt, double boil and melt this. Okay, let's start. First I am take down this small pieces.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend of me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging.
Milk. Now I'm going to double boil this. This is our white chocolate. We need sticks like this. You can use lollipop sticks or small size party stick. Now freeze this 20 minutes. Okay, now this is our cake lollipops and pour this in. white chocolate drip. Now freeze this again 20 minutes. This is our cake lollipops. Let's see. Okay guys, now I'm going to end this video. If you still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Please stay safe, stay at your home. Let's meet up with another recipe. Bye. Don't forget to like this video.